In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll be comfortable setting up your account, sending messages, staying on top of your inbox, and creating calendar events so your day runs smoothly. Let's begin with getting your account ready. The first time you open Outlook, you'll see an option to add account. Click that. Type in your email address, whether it's a personal service like Gmail or Outlook or a work or school email. Then enter your password and sign in. In most cases, Outlook will automatically detect the right settings and connect you within a few moments, so you can start using your mailbox right away. If you're prompted for permissions or additional verification, go ahead and complete those steps so Outlook can sync your messages and calendar securely. Some work accounts may ask you to confirm the account type or accept your organization's policies. That's normal. And if Outlook can't connect on the first try, double-check your internet connection and make sure your email address and password are correct. Then try again. Now let's send your first message. Click New Email, sometimes labeled Compose, to open a blank message window. In the To field, type the recipient's email address. Add a clear, short subject so the person knows what your message is about. Then write your message in the main box. Keep paragraphs brief and to the point, and don't forget to proofread. If needed, you can copy someone on the message using the CC field, or quietly include them using BCC. When you're all set, click Send. Reading and managing your messages is just as simple. Your inbox shows all incoming emails. Click any message to open it and read the full content. Use Reply to respond only to the sender. Reply all to include everyone on the original message, and forward to send a copy to someone new along with your note. Choose Reply. All thoughtfully so you don't clutter everyone's inbox. Staying organized helps you find things quickly. You can move messages to folders to keep topics grouped together, either by dragging them or using the Move option. Mark messages as important or flag them to follow up later. When something is no longer needed, delete it or archive it to keep it out of your inbox without removing it from your account. Finally, let's look at your calendar. Click the calendar icon to switch views. To add a new event, select New Event, then enter a title, date, time, and location. If you want others to join, add them as invitees so they receive an invitation. When everything looks right, click Save, and your event will appear on your calendar. That's it, your Outlook essentials. Practice these steps, and you'll manage email and schedules with confidence.